Apollo Microsystems is a renowned defense systems supplier. With its design lab headquartered in Hyderabad, India, AMS is one of the first few companies to offer electronic systems of mission-critical and safety-critical applications. The state-of-the-art facility offers design, assembly, and testing as end-to-end solutions.
He's a wonderful person, strong visionary, and a mentor. He gives us a clear direction on every aspect of strategy and operation, which gives a lot of comfort to work with. We share his dream to grow this company strongly in every vertical that we work for.
I come from a middle class family. My father was a teacher and also was into farming. I chose to be an entrepreneur and started this company with a very small investment in the year 1995. When I started this journey, the size of the industry was very small. We were one among the first private company in providing services to defense and space sector. Engineering design has always been my strength, and we started offering board design services to DRDO and Department of Space. From a design services company, we transitioned into board design development, subsystem development, and system level development. I take pride to share that we have designed more than 400 technologies for defense and space sectors in this long journey of 34 years. We have been working on an underwater weapon electronic system for the past 28 years, and now the same weapon is the first weapon being exported from India. Keeping in view of the growing defense system requirements, we have built complete ecosystem right from concept to manufacturing. With the last 34 years of multidisciplinary, multi-domain expertise that we had built, we now enter into aviation market through our Canard aircraft offering. It has been an incredible journey, and I thank all our customers, bankers, investors, suppliers, and all my colleagues for being a part of this successful journey and having bestowed faith on me and on the company.
We are working on a very niche market of aerospace and defense, which requires a lot of patience and perseverance. The gestation cycles of development and qualification of each system in each vertical that we work for is very long. So patience and perseverance has always been part of the DNA. We are trained for it, and we are always walk through our customers and always ensure that the systems are developed on time with state-of-the-art technology.
AMS has a strong R&D team of 150 plus engineers with core competencies in development of embedded hardware, software, and engineering designs, including packaging of electronic hardware for various verticals. The team is well versed in the design of multi-million gate, high-speed, high-density, multi-layer, digital, analog, RF, mixed signal PCB. They are proficient in multiple disciplines with emphasis in signal integrity and high voltage designs. The defense systems should meet harsh and extreme environmental conditions. The enclosures should be designed to meet different conditions like forced cooling, conduction cooling. AMS has in-house engineering design team consisting of system architects and PCB design engineers. At AMS, we design and develop high-performance, custom-built ruggedized electronics and electromechanical systems to withstand extreme environmental conditions in space, naval systems, avionics, missile defense, ground defense, and homeland security. AMS in-house stores has all the necessary materials stocked that are needed for design and assembly. The stores are maintained with all safety standards. Every material component on receipt is bonded in stores only after inward inspection, and data is maintained using ERP. The entire documentation is well maintained for traceability as per AS 9100 standards. Engineers at SMT line configure printed circuit boards and automated processes. Automatic optical inspection ensures the highest quality of the PCBs. Inspection of populated PCBs is carried out by IPC certified engineers using 150x magnifiers, AOI and BGA X-ray. If there is scope to improve the quality further, they are sent for rework. A wash cycle is required to clean the PCBs to remove the debris, followed by conformal coating. Our machine shop is equipped with CNC vertical milling machines and can handle jobs up to 6 microns accuracy. Our wire electrical discharge machining can handle jobs up to 2 microns accuracy with sharp edge finish and excellent surface finish. We have in-house tool room facility. The machine shop is the beating heart of our mechanical division. Unit assembly and harnessing is done by IPC trained technicians to meet IPC standards. Our team has exposure of harnessing for ground equipment, missile systems, shipborne systems and many more. In-circuit testing looks at the functioning of individual components after they are soldered in place. Functional testing provides a final go or no-go decision on finished PCBs. Our ESS facility is equipped with vibration shaker and temperature cycling chambers. Vibration facility team designs its own jigs and fixtures to carry out vibration of equipment which are of varied sizes. A detailed review is carried out on each project on periodic intervals involving all stakeholders like system architects, team leaders, quality control and production teams. Gap analysis is done in presence of management team. Apollo Microsystems has a solid marketing and sales function. AMS is an employee-friendly company. AMS has 33% of workforce as women. AMS practices transparent culture that creates openness between management and employees. AMS helps its employees to achieve and maintain healthy work and life balance by organizing various training sessions related to work and personal developments. AMS believes that companies are built on people and not just products. Finance function at AMS is led by financial experts. AMS posted consistent revenues and profits in the last year. AMS believes in giving back to society. AMS collaborated with Hare Krishna Mission and Global Helping Hands to benefit various sections of the society. AMS designs and develops high-performance systems for various verticals.
50 years ago, outer space was reserved for the most powerful of nations and the most dominant governments. But today, there's a democratization of space industry, which is inching closer to the cosmos. And in the process, there's a growing interdependence between what's happening hundreds of miles up in space and down below on Earth. Globally, space industry is currently valued at about $350 billion and could grow to $1 trillion or more in the 2040s. India's ISRO is a government space agency that has advanced at an unprecedented rate in the past 49 years and has achieved many milestones. In this incredible ISRO journey, Apollo Microsystems has given its contribution and played a significant role.
Ground checkout and data handling systems.
For the past 3 decades, AMS has played a major role in Indian space programs, as has offered its solutions for IRS, IRS-P5, IRS-P6, INSAT series, RESAT, Cartosat-1, and Cartosat-2. The ground acquisition systems offered by AMS. AMS offers frame synchronizer, bit synchronizer, payload checkout system, data simulator,
data handling system.
Products and their application: integrated payload checkout system, satellite data simulator, high-speed frame synchronizer, time code reader generator, bit synchronizer, monopulse tracking receivers,
high-speed data recorder and data handling system.
India has a long coastal line of 7,517 kilometers, which is vulnerable to threats from enemy countries, pirates and natural calamities. Indian Navy plays a vital role in defending all the threats and keeping the nation safe around the clock. The naval infrastructure is equipped with fighter frigates, smaller ships, remote unmanned operating vehicles, submarines which carry underwater weapons and electronic warfare systems. TAL, T-A-L, Advanced Light Torpedo. AMS is working in TAL torpedo weapon electronics for the past 28 years and has contributed in its life cycle development management and support. This is the first weapon being exported by India, and AMS has key contribution in this weapon system electronics. We are the only private industry who has developed homing systems for torpedoes in India. The entire weapon electronics in TAL are supplied by our company, making us a unique supplier. SSBN First Indigenous Nuclear Submarine Program. AMS proudly presents its contribution in India's first indigenous nuclear submarine program. The power supply chain and monitoring systems are fully qualified and have demonstrated its reliability for past several years. This is a testimony of our diversified technical capabilities. Ship. AMS supplied sonar systems, turret control systems and marine consoles for ship-borne applications. Enemy submarine detection. Varunastra. AMS has been part of several torpedo programs, and in Varunastra program, our signal processing systems are qualified and added an immense value for the weapon. Marich is an expendable decoy and is the first indigenously developed decoy in India. AMS has a key contribution in the programs under the guidance of DRDO. The state-of-the-art algorithms and signal processing hardware are developed by AMS. The decoy has undergone successful trials and is accepted for induction by Indian Navy. Upon detection of enemy torpedo, command control team programs the firing of decoy to deceive the enemy torpedo. The decoy can be programmed to fire from port side or starboard side based on the configuration and detection of enemy vehicle. The decoy emits signatures of the submarines and delays the mission time.
India's defence aviation market has grown in an unprecedented manner. Besides Indian Air Force requirements, Army aviation and naval aviation requirements have significantly increased in the last few years. Use of fighter jets, trainer jets, combat and surveillance aircrafts, drones, UAVs, etc. are playing a key role in defending the nation from enemies, rescue and disaster management. Apollo Microsystems Limited, AMS, has been offering avionic LRUs and design services to DRDO and defense PSUs for the past 3 decades. The state-of-the-art technological capabilities and strong engineering knowledge are key strengths of AMS to deliver stringent safety-critical avionics systems to the industry. Avionics systems are complex in nature and require highly engineered and typically enjoy long development and qualification cycles. The entire process from concept to manufacturing and aftermarket services are offered as total solution under one roof. AMS, a CEMELAC certified company, follows stringent design and quality practices to meet DO 178B safety-critical requirements of the industry. AMS has a wide range of products: gimbal payload electronics, generic PCM encoder and decoder, DC UPS unit, quad actuator controller, radio altimeter, cockpit display simulator, advanced fire control system, fin actuation control systems. Our expertise in defense avionics is poised to take off into aviation market. Any nation's integrity is protected by armed forces. Especially military plays a vital role in combat situations to protect the country against land-based attacks. They are fighting for tomorrow by giving up their today. AMS has built specialized expertise in development and manufacturing of rugged electronics used for military applications. Ground-based military electronics requires meeting harsh environmental conditions. Our systems comply with MIL STD 810F requirements. Our engineering expertise and coupled with our strong hardware design knowledge makes us a unique solution provider delivering a reliable product. Vibration, shock, humidity, high temperature, low temperature, EMI to EMC. AMS products: mine detection sensor cluster signal processing systems, transmission control, throttle control, intelligent vehicle data monitoring, stabilized turret control systems, instrumentation cluster, navigation systems, tactical data link modem and antenna navigation systems, electric and hydraulic servo drive system, mill-grade DC power supplies, electronic suspension system, motion control system, climate control system. Missile defense systems are meant to protect nations from incoming missiles and act as a missile shield for the country and specifically for the strategic locations. AMS has been working on Indian missile programs for past more than 3 decades and brings in technical and domain expertise and has been a key contributor in success of many of the programs. We stand one amongst the first few private companies contributing on indigenous missile programs, and systems developed have been successful in trials and have entered production phase. We offer on-board weapon electronics and ground support equipment for missile defense systems. Technologies developed by our company are part of success story of surface-to-surface, surface-to-air, intercontinental ballistics missiles, anti-tank missiles, air-to-surface, submarine launch missiles, air defense missile with capabilities of reaching endosphere. AMS contributions: missile hardware simulators, launcher controllers, PCM encoders, digital signal processing systems, FPGA-based quad-channel controller, electromechanical actuators, signal processing units, launch interface units (LIU), INS inertial navigation systems, IAM integrated avionics modules, MIU missile interface units, PSSU power supply switching units, checkout systems. Systems developed and manufactured by us undergo stringent quality process laid down specific to the application and comply with MIL STD 461F and MIL STD 810D. AMS Products Profile and Missile System, Telemetry, RPF Receiver Antenna, Radio Proximity Face, Target Update Receiver, Servo Control Unit, Command Guidance Unit, Sensor Package Unit, Onboard Computer and Missile Interface Unit.
Security has been a serious concern across the globe due to threats of anti-social elements. AMS has integrated C&C management system, advanced LPR system and continuous image capture solutions. Short-range radars detect obstacles and possible impacts. AMS has solutions for secured vehicle, pedestrian and sliding gates with integrated gate arrays. Drones are used for surveillance, but when they fly into restricted territories, they can be a threat. AMS anti-drone solutions can be used to detect unlimited number of drones at any point of time. Perimeters are protected using smart fence perimeter system and remote site protection. Solutions using CCTVs and alarm panels. These solutions can be used at prisons, correctional facilities, countries' borders, BT stations and telecommunication sites, residential properties, warehouses, data centers, industrial parks, military and naval bases. AMS has smart fencing solutions. A fence is activated with surveillance systems to resolve threats up to 70%. Gate entry security systems are activated to resolve 85% of the threats. Access control security systems can be activated to solve 95% of the threats. Anti-UAV defense systems can be activated for 100% threat resolution. Smart fencing solutions from AMS helps with intruder detection and immediate action to arrest any such activities. Thermal imaging and electro-optical surveillance system does not allow intruders. Gate access control systems ensure entry only to authorized vehicles. Any unauthorized vehicle movement is stopped. Through-wall radar systems are compact and mobile. They have the ability to see through a wall. They provide real-time intelligence using through-wall radar. This system has capability for multiple wall penetration.